How to log into FAB Mobile Banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into FAB Mobile Banking, which is the first Abu Dhabi bank online banking. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here you can actually open up its app. You can get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. It's really easy to download. And after you've downloaded the app, you can open it up. So right here you will see an option to join FAB, or if you already have an account and you're already a customer, you'll get an option that says already a customer. So let's tap on already a customer, and after you tap on it, you'll see register for FAB Mobile. Now all you have to do is type in your ID. So type in your ID and make sure that you agree with the terms and conditions. After you do that, tap on continue, and after that you will need to just type in your password, and after you type in your password, you'll get registered. You'll get logged in into your FAB Mobile Banking. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.